I'm gonna be building the best PC that's cheaper than the PS5 Pro and has really good performance. The PS5 Pro is now the strongest console in the world, but there's just one problem. It's just too expensive. And that's why today I'm gonna be building a PC for $500. But the first thing I need to do is order the parts, and I think you know where I'm gonna go to get them. Okay, so now that the parts are in the way, I'm gonna head over to my local micro center to get a few more parts that we need for the build. But there was a problem. The GPU and CPU that we wanted was not in stock, and the shelves were completely empty. So we just paid for the things we got and went home. But I just couldn't give up. So I went on OfferUp and tried to find the CPU and GPU that I needed. And luckily, we got these parts for a good price. So the next day, we went to go pick up the parts so we could start this PC build. Alright you guys, so we got everything we need, so let me just... This is much better. Okay you guys, so this is everything that we need. We are going to be using a Mycdks motherboard for this build. And hopefully by building this PC, you guys can learn a thing or two if you're interested in building a gaming PC for yourself. Let's just get to building the PC. Okay guys, so I just finished putting all of the hardware onto the motherboard. We also have this CPU cooler right here that we decided to add. It didn't come with the CPU, but it was just a CPU cooler that I had laying around from my previous build. We're now gonna open the PC case so that we can put the motherboard into the case. Okay guys, so I just unboxed the PC case right now, and honestly, it's not too bad. I managed to get this for $65. It does have pre-installed fans, making the build process easier, but it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fans. I also like how you're able to... Guys, so we are done building the PC. We're now gonna be doing the boot up and switch on here. But before I boot up the PC, here's a word from today's sponsor. Yep, that means you need to activate Windows, but don't worry because Mycdks has you covered. Mycdks is an awesome online storefront that offers a wide variety of affordable Windows activation keys. Whether you're setting up a fresh build or upgrading your system, Mycdks has you covered. They got a great selection for you to choose from. And it's not just Windows keys that they sell. They also offer affordable CD keys for popular platforms like Steam. So if you're looking to save some game discounts or software, Mycdks has you covered. But wait, it gets even better. If you guys want to save yourself some money when purchasing a Windows activation key, well, you can use this code on the screen. No, that's actually crazy. Hold up. Yo, the fans are not even that bad. These are, like I said, these are pre-installed fans. They came with the PC. Crazy, for $500, you can build a PC like this. But it is currently 12 in the morning right now, so I'm gonna be testing setting up the PC tomorrow morning. Let's go. Alright you guys, so it's currently the next day now, but I'm not gonna set up the PC, set up the mouse pad, mouse and keyboard, everything we need to start gaming on this PC. Let's get to it. Okay, before we hop into a game of Fortnite, I forgot to tell you guys the price to the PC. The total price for the PC, including the GPU, the CPU, the RAM, 1 terabyte, everything in the PC, it came out to be $518. But the real test is about to begin because we're gonna be testing in Fortnite and a couple other games to see how this PC performs, so make sure to stay tuned. But first, roll the montage. Alright you guys, so in Battle Bus right now, I'm getting a high 300 FPS and it's maintaining like around 300 on the Battle Bus. Oh my goodness, I just picked that 400. Okay, I did not mean to jump right now, but I'm just gonna land here. Okay, as I'm landing, I'm getting high 200 FPS, a low 160. It's maintaining around 200. The game feels smooth too. I haven't ran into any frame drops. Oh, I think someone's there. Oh, yep. My shockwave up, hopefully it could be too. Got one. Someone else is shooting. Oh, that's just an AI for sure. 2 seconds. Yes, sir. Give me those easy kills, bro. Now, I don't really play Reloaded as much. I'm usually like either in creative or playing a regular battle royale match. Oh yeah, everyone in the comments below, let me know your guys' rank in Fortnite because I asked this question a few videos back before, and we're in a new season now. There's also rank for Zero Build and OG Fortnite and all that stuff. So let me know in the comments down below, what rank are you guys? Yes, sir. Bro, why do people keep landing here, bro? But then again, it is Reloaded. It's gonna second. Give me that, baby. Yes, sir. Shockwave. Give me that. Easy kill. Boom. No way. I did not even see him right there, bro. Yo, there's so many people right now, bro. Please tell me you have loot for me, bro. Please tell me you have loot for me, bro. Hey, at least he got minis for me. That's good. Whoa. Ooh, okay, hold up. That was kind of clean, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I can't build. Okay. Okay, that's one. Bro, we're low-key frying this lobby right now. Hold up. Yes, bro. Oh my goodness, let's go, bro. I never knew I had this much potential. Okay, one more person. I think he's gonna be over there. Okay, I just canceled my medkit. No. Yeah. Oh, baby. First game on, too. Performance on the PC was not even that bad, bro. I was getting 200 FPS. I also peaked at 400 in the beginning when I was on the battle bus. By the way, this set the performance on lower graphic fidelity, all textures, view distance, all set to low. I'm gonna be hopping into another game right now, so make sure to stay tuned. Alright, you guys, the next game we're gonna be playing is Marvel Rivals. This game has recently been on the rise, and I'm not gonna lie, your boy has been on this game almost every single day, playing with my brother and my dad. We're gonna hop into a quick match. Before we start, these are all my display settings right here. If you guys are curious, I have all my shadow textures, all that set to medium. And right now I'm getting 140 FPS right now. All right, bro, let's lock in, bro. Oh my goodness, they're all right here in the front. Okay. Oh my goodness, Thor is so low. Yes, sir, got him, baby. If you guys play Marvel Rivals, let me know in the comments down below what's your guys' favorite skin to use. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, super low. Nice. Another one. Ooh, bro, double kill. Who is this? Another kill, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, we're low-key frying this lobby right now. Oh my goodness, hold up. Oh, I'm low. No, he healed. Yes, bro. Throughout all the time I was playing, I haven't ran into a frame drop, a single frame drop yet, so this PC is holding up well. Come on, give me this kill right here. Yes, bro. 20 kills. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir, bro. Yo, Groot super low. Groot super low. Ah, might be cooked. Dang it. Bro, Groot was so low. Yes, bro, let's go, baby. Performance was good. No frame drops at all. The gameplay was super smooth. I was maintaining around 120 FPS, sometimes going up to 160. Hey, but we're gonna be playing one more game on this PC, and that is Black Ops 6. I'm gonna be playing Research and Squads on Rebirth Island, and this is a little bit more of a demanding game, so we're gonna see how well the PC holds up, but these are my quality settings right here if you guys are curious. All right, let's see. We're gonna be dropping headquarters, and so far I'm getting 140 FPS right now. Got one. I can't even see it. Ooh. Loki snatches angles. Oh, GG, I'm cooked. Okay, GG's. Hey, I literally got 2 kills off the bat. So far, so good right now. But right now, I'm getting okay. I just went up to 160 FPS right now. I did not run into any frame drops while I was just playing right now. Fighting over there on the roof. Okay, perfect, bro. I'm a low-key in a third party right now. Got one. Teammates are not even close. Got another. Yes, sir. I'm on the bottom also. Low-key, I kind of want to push this, bro, but it's kind of risky. Watch this aimbot chat. Oh, bro, almost. Oh, I got shot from somewhere else. No. There's some on the side, too. Well, I need to play cautious right now. Okay, someone's on zip. Got the dude right here. Yes, sir. There's one below. Well, going outside because I'm not trying to fight that right now. No way, bro, please. Yes, sir. Give me that, baby. Hey, 6 kills right now. Let's go. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness, my teammate scared me, bro. Ouch. Ouch. Oh my goodness, good, bro. Good save, teammate. Wow, bro. I would have been cooked right there if it wasn't for him. Got one. Another one's on top. No. No, bro. Another on the bottom right here. Oh my goodness. Someone literally just, okay. Bro, what? I got 9 kills right now, 17 people left. I'm getting 160 FPS, and the PC's holding up really good. No frame drops at all, and I'm getting fried out right now. Ooh. Oh my goodness, there's so many people next to us, bro. Hold up. Let me play down here, just in case anyone drops. Like this. And a bunch of people, oh my goodness. Come on, teammate. No, no, bro. Hey. That was low-key a good game though. We placed 4th place. Hey, that's not bad of a game. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. The PC did really good. I was maintaining around 150, 160 FPS. And I did not get a single frame drop during that game. Yo, WPC, bro. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you guys at least got inspired to do something like this for yourselves. But other than that, it's been your boy Cy. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.